I'm going to show you how to bring your Grain meeting transcripts and notes directly into the context window of Claude using the new Grain MCP server. Let's get started. First, we'll do a pretty simple task of asking Claude what decisions were made during the internal team meetings I had yesterday. And explaining a little bit how these MCP tools work is by connecting the Grain MCP. There are about 15 different tools that we've built, from listing your meetings and fetching those details to listing open deals and even some coaching feedback objects. And so Claude has been working in the background based on my prompt to list the attended meetings by a specific date, scoping them by internal team meetings. And now it's going through and actually fetching each of those notes so that it can aggregate the response that's required around the decisions that were made in all of those meetings. And so it looks like it's wrapping up here, and it says, based on the AI notes from your internal team meetings yesterday, these were the decisions that were made. And so this was the first meeting and the decisions that were made, and in the second meeting and those decisions that were made. Let's look at another workflow that's more advanced reporting, where you can use MCP Prompts. And so we're going to go click the plus button and go Add from Grain, and we're going to do a Voice of the Customer Insights report. Let's just look at the last 30 days. And this will actually add a pretty advanced prompt into the context window that is going to follow a set of instructions about specific tools to use in which order to gather the data from Grain and return it into a structured Voice of the Customer report. And so we'll watch this in action and then come back to it in just a moment when it is complete. So it's been about 60 seconds, and Claude is now returning a response from a number of different searches that it did across my set of meetings, not just my meetings, but all of my team's sales calls and customer success and even research calls, and is coming back with a structured report around the pain points that our users are feeling and the feature requests that they would like to see. Really, the possibilities of what you can do with the Grain MCP server are endless. We'd love to get your feedback on what you love and what else you would like to see, and hope you enjoy it.